Hi, so in this video I'm gonna make this time with the Ohm's law calculation with using the different IDE and different language, which is Python language, and the IDE is PyCharm. So straight away I'm gonna launch PyCharm here. What we're gonna make is as same as the previous video using C++. In this case we're using PyCharm, which is for the Python language, and same is Ohm's law, which involves Ohm's law calculation. So anyway, we've gone through which we have to create a project. My name is Ohm's law here, and then we create it. This is the previous one. I already done training myself how to create Ohm's law before making this video. So we go through together. We create a coding. Okay, right now we at the main py, which is the Ohm's law we created here, Ohm's law folder. Then inside we got the main py Python here. Then what we're gonna do is straight away we make an comment. Okay, we have to change my keyboard. Okay, option 2.1 is calculate the voltage, option 2 calculate current, and option 3 is calculate the resistance. And option 4 will be is to quit the program. Is any option to quit the program. So we straight away go to while loop here. Okay, then what we do is we print, choose the following option. Option here, enter, print. The first option will be calculate the voltage, then the second option will be calculate the current. Here. All this, then we can put our formula, which is, we said option is equals to input, which is the user input here, input. Then we make it here like this. Alright, done with it. Done with the while loop. We go to the if loop. If and elif. Elif in Python is else if. So if and else if statement here. If option is 1. Option is 1. Then 2 here. What it does is option is 1. Okay, if option is 1, what we do is we're gonna print out calculating. Print here, calculating the voltage. Alright, calculating voltage. Alright, so we enter here. What we're gonna do is input some formula. What should V equals to IR, so we're gonna calculate the current and we're gonna calculate the resistance for the user to input the current and the user to input the resistance. Then we can find out the voltage value. Okay, I equals to, let's say, is float, which is the float number here. Then we can input what we're gonna say is the current value here. This is the user will be input the current here. Then next is resistance. Then we're gonna float input the resistance. How much will be the resistance here? Okay, done. Next, we're gonna put input the formula, which is V equals to IR. V is equals to I times R. So here what we do is we're gonna print it. We're gonna say that we're gonna declare the voltage in a format. We're gonna print say the voltage is required. The voltage is required. I'm gonna have space here. Then when you're done is we make it in format. Okay, we put the value which is the variable which is v, then we make it as float number. It's 2.2f here. Then once we're done with it, .2f, then we can go to the elif for the option 2. So we're done. We can calculate here before the voltage part. Then we go elif option 2, then we're gonna print. What it does is it calculating the current. Okay, so right now it's calculating the current for the elif part. What we do is we print same thing as the top. This time is we print the current. Which is we have to input the float number here. Okay, same thing I will do for the option elif option 2, option 3, and I will be get back soon once I'm done with all the. It's the same things from the if option 1, same all the statement and variable there. So I will be back soon. Actually, complete the coding. Alright. Okay, I just completed the programming. What I done here is just the elif option, which is else if option 2. Then same thing, just for the I will calculating for the resistance. Just float input for the voltage, float input for the current with the formula as well. Then we can get the resistance value. Let's say if the option is 3, we press it 3, then we can calculate the current. Float input for the voltage, R input for the resistance, then we can get the formula. Then we can see here is the format. If it's option 4, then it's just gonna break it, else it's just not an option. Just try again. Let's say run this. Okay, here it goes. Slow calculation. Let's say calculate voltage. Okay, input the current. How much the current will be? 0.04 ampere. Resistance is let's say is 550 ohm. Then the voltage we required is be 22 volt. Next, let's say we want to calculate the resistance. Okay, how much the voltage required? Let's say it's 12 volt. How much the current? 0.05. So the resistance required will be 240 ohm. Let's say calculate the current for the 3 option here. Voltage will be, let's say, is 14 volt. Resistance is 650 ohm. So the current required will be 0.02 ampere, and that's, let's say it's 4. So you can just exit the program there. And let's say it is other than, let's say we just type in some random number p. So not an option. Try again. Then you can look back the same giving the choice for the user to input which one we want. Okay guys, that's about it. So I do hope you enjoy and kind of learn of it, as well as I'm still learning the programming language. I will posting more and more. I will focus more and more in programming and embedded stuff. Okay, that's about it guys. Thank you for watching. See ya. Bye.